So, a very good afternoon, dear students. I hope you all are enjoying your stream which you have taken after a matriculous thinking in class 10th, whether to go for science, humanities, or commerce. Here in this stream, be rest assured that there are large number of opportunities after graduation, masters, which you are going to pursue after 12th. These opportunities are banking, insurance, teaching, and many more. And the most important and the most successful, rather, I should say, is becoming an entrepreneur. That is, starting something of your own. That is what we teach you the business is all about. So, here I am starting chapter first of your business studies, that is, nature and purpose of business. We have already discussed some basic terms related to business. I am again repeating. First of all, let me clear you the meaning of the word business. Business. What does a business mean? Business anything. अगर मैं हिंदी में कहूँ तो बिज़नेस मतलब सस्ते में ख़रीदो और महंगा बेचो. इसके बीच का जो मार्जिन है वो अपनी जेब में डालो. दैट मार्जिन इज़ योर प्रॉफिट. दिस इज़ वॉट द एग्जैक्ट बिजनेस मीन. Business is derived from the word being busy. So we can say that being busy is business. But in final terms, if I have to define what business is, it is an occupation which includes all activities connected with production, procurement, of goods for sale and adding profit. Why should we add profit? Because the main aim of business is to earn profit. We have to earn profit. If we are not earning any profit, means we are not doing any kind of business. तो business क्या है? Business is an occupation which includes all the activities related to production, procurement of goods for sale, and adding profit margin to that and selling it to customers for satisfaction. The most important thing in business is satisfaction of customers. If customers are satisfied, then only they will attract towards you and you will be able to earn profit. The most important point which I am going to stress over here is satisfaction of human needs. Business at all point of time has to aim at profit maximization. But how we earn profit, how we maximize our profit? Through satisfaction of customers. Customers are satisfied only and only when their needs and wants are fulfilled by businessmen. Now, coming to the next part, the meaning of business is already clear to you all. Now, business is what? Now, characteristics of business. Characteristics of business. First characteristic of business is an economic activity. Now, what an economic activity is? We all human beings perform some kind of activities. Some activities are done for earning money. Some activities are in terms of monetary, and some are for our psychological satisfaction, which are done out of love and affection. That activity are non-economic activities. Human activities are classified into two parts: economic activity and non-economic activity. What does an economic activity mean? The activities which are done for monetary terms, which are done for earning money. For example, if your mother is cooking food at home, if a teacher is teaching in school, he or she is earning money. Your mother is cooking food at home, she is not earning money. She is doing for your love. She is doing out of love and affection. Means she is feeling that my child is hungry, I have to cook food for him or her. that is non-economic. She is not doing for earning money, that is non-economic. But if she is cooking food, she is preparing dabbas, that is she is doing for earning money, that is economic activity. Same is with the business. Business is done for earning money, for profit, that is economic activity. Business is considered as an economic activity. Why? Because it is undertaken with the objective of earning money and livelihood, but not for our satisfaction, not for psychological satisfaction. That is why business is considered as an economic activity. First point is cleared. Now come to second point. Second one is production of goods and services. Production of goods and services. Every business enterprise either produces or procure goods. Production means, procure means production. Every business enterprise produce goods from producers. Goods may consist of consumer and services may include transportation, banking, etc. Means in business we have to produce goods before selling, and after selling we add profit margin through customer satisfaction. These points we have to clear in mind while studying business. Third characteristic is sale or exchange of goods and services. Why do we produce good? We produce good to sell them. If we sell them, then only we earn profit. And exchange. Exchange means if we are giving any good to any customer, if any producer is giving good to any customer, in return customer gives him money, that is both parties are exchanging their goods. So that is exchange of goods and services. For why do we exchange goods and services? We exchange them to satisfy human needs. That is the most important point. Satisfy human needs. The production of goods and services for self consumption. अगर हम खुद कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं गुड्स को, दैट इज़ नॉट कंसिडर्ड एज बिजनेस. अ फार्मर कल्टिवेटिंग क्रॉप फॉर हिमसेल्फ, दैट इज़ नॉट बिजनेस. बट अ फार्मर हु इज़ कल्टिवेटिंग क्रॉप फॉर सेल, that is only involved in business activity. So there must be a sale or exchange of goods and services in business. Come to next point. Next point is fourth point. Dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Regular basis means if we are performing a business or a activity daily, then only it is considered as a business, otherwise not. Means it is another important feature of business that it must be sell or exchange of goods on a regular basis. One single transaction does not constitute a business. For example, if a person sells his house to buy a new house, he is not doing any kind of business. Why? Because he sells one time and purchase only one time. That is not doing business. If a person buys and sell houses on a regular basis to earn commission, then only it will be considered as a business. Another example I am giving you. If you have purchased a radio, a second hand radio, and you are thinking to sell because it is not working properly, and you have sold it, that is not your business. If the same is happening on a regular basis, you have your own shop, that and you are selling and purchasing radios on daily basis, that is your business. Now come to next point. Profit earning, the main or the most important point in business. It is the reward for business. The main purpose of business is to earn profit. If the profit motive is missing in transaction, means if you are doing any kind of transaction, if you are exchanging any goods and profit margin is missing, then it cannot be considered as a business. For example, goods given in charity are not a business activity, because चैरिटी में हम क्या करते हैं, केवल गुड्स को देते हैं, हम उनसे पैसा नहीं लेते. तो पैसा लेना, प्रॉफिट मार्जिन को ऐड करना उसके कॉस्ट में, गुड के कॉस्ट में, दैट इज़ योर बिजनेस. नो बिजनेसमैन कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट अर्निंग सफिशिएंट प्रॉफिट. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज अनसर्टेनिटी ऑफ रिटर्न और risk. Every business, remember one thing, every kind of business involve risk. The business, the risk of the business depend upon its scale. If your scale of business is big, then the risk is higher. There is always a possibility of loss in business, and we have to do the business with risk. If we are doing any kind of business with risk, then only we are able to earn profit. It is not certain that a businessman will always earn adequate profit, as market conditions may change, customers demand may change, its taste may change. There are many businessmen in factory, they may go on strike. All these can lead to loss, and in any kind of business involves loss. So there is always an element of risk involved in business. So these all are the characteristics of business. Once again I am repeating. First characteristic is an economic activity, means it involves money. Second is production of goods and services. We produce goods and services, because if we are not producing, then how we will exchange them, how we will give it to the customer. Third one is sales or exchange of goods and services. We produce good to sell them. If we sell them, then only we satisfy human needs. Fourth one is dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Next is profit earning, the main reward, the main feature of business. And last one is uncertainty of return, means if we are doing any business, there might be some kind of loss. So risk is also necessary in business. Now come to next topic, that is your objectives of business. Let me clear you first the meaning of objective. Objective means the end, the direction in which you are going. The direction in which you are going. At the end point, somewhere you reach, that end point is your objective. कहीं ना कहीं हम आखिरी में पहुँचेंगे, मीन्स हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव वो होता है. ये ऑब्जेक्टिव्स वो सारे गोल्स होते हैं जो इस्टेब्लिश होते हैं कंपनी के एफर्ट्स को गाइड करने के लिए. एज फार एज पॉसिबल अ बिजनेसमैन मस्ट सेट अप स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को हम जनरल टर्म्स में सेटअप नहीं करते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द फर्म कैन बी इंक्रीज इन सेल बाय 10% इन 1 year टाइम. एक साल में हम 10% को इंक्रीज़ करेंगे. वेयर एज जनरल ऑब्जेक्टिव कैन बी इंक्रीज इन सेल. हमारा, जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया इंक्रीज़ इन सेल का, तो हम इंक्रीज़ इन सेल में